kids, welcome back to Roto Talk.
Kids, welcome back. I swear to God, that smoking hot wife of mine gonna put me in the poorhouse with this heater situation. I love my wife, sweetest woman you'll ever meet in your life, but she's paranoid about stuff. So first I had the torpedo heater in here, okay? You know, propane, hooked up to a propane tank. It's got a big jet engine, so they call them salamanders. And that thing, louder than hell. I told you about this in the other video. Louder than hell, and it did smell. And it gets to like 150 degrees in here. I was like, that doesn't work. So and she never liked it. She didn't like the smell. So I go out and buy the kerosene heater, which is a week old. Bear in mind. So she's like, she's never been around a kerosene heater. She's not a country girl, okay? And she comes out in the garage a day or two later. She goes, what's that smell? Because you know how kerosene heaters are. You turn them down a little bit, and then you can smell them. They get a little sooty. Not bad. And then, oh, carbon monoxide. So, which was not true, but okay. Get on Amazon. I ordered a natural gas heater.
You have received your orders.
For the shop, because my house runs off natural gas. And I had a line out in the big garage. I plumbed the line into here. And now it's like Christmas. Isn't that cute? So I have it hanging on the door. Just disconnect it. Lift it off the door for summertime. Done. It's 60 degrees in here. I turned it on 2 minutes ago. It's going to work pretty well. It's only $200, so okay, whatever. So anyway, what this video is about is the club. I told you chat room. It's not really a club. It's just a chat room where boat people, or if you don't have to necessarily be just into RC boats. I mean, that's a plus. But 3D printing, if you want to get into RC cars a little bit, whatever. I don't think most of us are going to be boaters, but we have a couple guys in there that are whatever. But 3D printers, things like that, pretty cool thing. Well, Google Chats is a bag of ass. Can't stand it. It's horrible. I researched it. I do computers and robotics for a living, and it's just so, poorly laid out. So one of my friends, a buddy of mine on the channel, hang on a second. I want to get his name because I owe him one. Because I have a shit memory for brains, or names. Maybe brains too. Hey, the thermostat thing works. Let's see. So I didn't have as much time. Wire is great. Encrypted also. Oh, Simoleon. Oh, okay. Sorry, brother. It was you. For some reason, I wasn't thinking it was you. Anyway, my old friend Simoleon, he said, hey, use this app, Wire, and it works really well. Me and some guys tested it last night. I've got about 6 people in there now, and you can add easy, you can find easy. It's you don't have to share your phone numbers with people or even your email addresses or anything. And it's really nice. I've never used it before. It's called Wire. So I'm going to walk you through it. Here's the Smoking Hot Wife. Now, go over here. Go into your app store, either for Android or for iPhone. Go get the Wire app. Okay? So, it looks like that. And then you have to register. It's free. Make an account. And then you can just shoot me a message. Just hit connect with people or something. You can just hit new message and just put the @ symbol, JJ RotoGeek, and that'll connect with me. JJ RotoGeek, all one word. Doesn't matter if it's capital or anything like that. And then just shoot me a message and say, hey, dude, it's me, or whoever you are. Dump me in the room, and I'll add you to the chat room. So those of you that are still waiting to get into the Google Chats, ignore that. I'm going to change that. I deleted the other videos off, and I'm going to change it in the description now. You have to use the Wire app. It's working really well. It was fun last night. Me and the guys did some stuff this morning on there. It's just fun. We come and go. It's not like, don't get offended. Like in the middle of a conversation, I'm going to be like, hey, I got to go do something with my kids, or you got to go do something. That's just how it is. It's come and go. We're all friends, and we just share stuff that we're doing during the day.
You'll learn a lot, no doubt.
Hopefully a lot of boat stuff, and you can learn stuff. And it'll be a good time. So looking forward to you guys doing this. So again, the app is called Wire. It's free, and it's very secure. Just download it, set yourself up an account, use whatever name you want, preferably your YouTube name, so I know who you are. Doesn't have to be, though. And then just shoot me a message on that, and I'll add you in. Really, really easy. So, awesome, guys. So, keep shiny side up, dry side up, whatever side up. Later.